Cycling is booming. In tourism, this striking trend creates an opportunity for completely new business models. And this is where WINTERSTEIGER comes into play, with a whole host of innovative bike solutions. Quick yet environmentally friendly cleaning is particularly important. VeloClean, the versatile solution for manual bike cleaning and pre-cleaning. VeloClean is the ideal self-service station solution for your guests and visitors. A water air jet rapidly and reliably removes even caked-on dirt and mud, and does so with water consumption from just 2 liters per bike. Dirt and wastewater are of course collected for environmentally responsible disposal. And by the way, VeloClean can be used even without a compressed air connection and running water, because the compressor, water tank, and cleaning agent are all integrated. VeloBrush is a versatile solution for fully automated bike cleaning. The innovative ergonomic bike mount means loading the bike is just as easy as cleaning it. With cleaning programs from just 2 minutes, huge time and resource savings are possible in comparison to conventional cleaning. Low-pressure technology and horizontal rotating brushes clean thoroughly and gently, as is needed for e-bikes, high-tech frames, and sensitive bicycle components. Let's take another look at the most important benefits. VeloClean and VeloBrush, the perfect solution after a trip or excursion by bike. Do you want to offer your guests the perfect all-inclusive bike package? WINTERSTEIGER is your partner for professional bike tourism.